Welcome! In front of me is a CUBOT R15 Pro, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, you will need to pull down the notification panel, tap on the settings icon, and from settings, scroll down to storage. And here you should find your SD card. So tap on it. This will open up the SD card storage, where we can find the three-dot option, and then here we can navigate into storage settings and find the format option. Now once you tap on the format option, it will give you a message that basically doing this will remove everything from that SD card. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, well then you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise it will be lost permanently. But assuming you have already done it, or you just simply don't want to, tap on format SD card. This will immediately begin formatting it, and it only takes about 5 to 10 seconds. Once it's finished, the card is ready to be used once more, as it is right now. Click on done, and you're completely finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.